Did you know, according to Google, who are the most best employees? I was shocked, when I read this book, Exponential Organizations, by this author Salim Ismail, shares that the Google recently demonstrated that its best employees are not Ivy League students, but rather young people who have experienced a big loss, a personal loss of their loved ones, and they are able to transform that experience into growth. According to Google, a deep personal loss has resulted in an employee being more humble and open to listening and learning. This really touched my heart because I know, I have also experienced a loss of my mother at a very young age, and I have noticed that after that incident has changed me a lot, and I've always learned to be more of a listener and more compassionate to people, because I realize the importance of life. Sometimes when you're young, you don't know what's happening, but as I grew older and started working and all, I realized that I treated people differently. I valued people more. And of course, you have to have your competence skills of productivity, and you have to keep upgrading your skills and being good at what you do. It's not only about this. I'm sure that you have to do the skills and what are the things required, but it's also when you experience really a loss of a loved one, it really breaks you sometimes from inside your core. And when you emerge as a new person, you are so more open to listening, and you're more grounded in life. So this really touched me, so I thought I should share with you. And see, we all should in fact be like that. Today, daily, in our working of daily life and rat race, or so many challenges, issues, or whatever we are going through, in our life, we forget that relationships are very, very important. Don't just let time just flow by, and before the person is gone, and we just don't value it. They say, na, till the person is there, sometimes we don't value it. It's only when we lose someone we realize that, oh, we didn't spend enough time with that person, or what we did. Because there was a survey again I read, I think, in one of the articles, that when the nurses, went to the people who were dying, they were serving them in the hospital. They were said that a lot of people said, I wish I could have spent time with my loved ones, or I wish I could have, forgiven someone, or I still have jealousy or grudge against someone. So these things are very, very important. So this was the message I would like to convey to you all. So please forward this video to for your family and friends. And for more details on self-work and inner work, please contact me on natashaadvani.com. Thank you.